how to add work history to LinkedIn. So all you have to do is to open the LinkedIn application and it will lead you here to the homepage, right? Now on the upper left, you'll see your profile icon. Click on that and tap on view profile. Now after that, all you have to do is to scroll just a little bit up until you see experience here, right? Now how to add work history. So all you have to do is to tap on plus sign here and tap on add position. If you already have this section, so let's say you don't have that section, then all you have to do is to tap on add section here and basically tap on add position. Now you will be adding experience history. So all you have to do is to fill out all this information relating to your past experiences or your work history. So for example, this one, this I have, let's say I have worked under this company and then I have already resigned from this. So make sure to untap or uncheck the I am currently working on this role. So toggle that off and then tap on start date. So for example, you started this date up until here, and you can even add the description, add some skills information under that, or even media or images or the sites. So tap on done if you're, and then tap on done. Now here your position has been saved. So if we go back here to our experience, as you can see, we have now the new experience that we have input. So let's try it in this part. So for example, you already have the experience section here. All you have to do is to tap on plus sign and tap on add position and do the same process again. And basically it will be added here once you finish that process. And basically that's how you add work history on LinkedIn, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.